Let's look at matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication also will have some like the formula or how we approach the problem. Okay, so let's say so there can be a lot of problems we can do with arrays using arrays, but this for as of now I'm just winding up with the matrix multiplication. You can look at in internet. There can be a lot of examples. People like there will be a lot of blogs where you can have a lot of examples. So you can try out when you get time. If you practice more, you will understand more. Okay, yeah, matrix multiplication. So for matrix multiplication, so okay, let's go back here and so matrix. Everything is available in internet. So whenever you get doubt, it's yeah, you can go and refer internet. Even for me, like it's not easy to explain using Notepad or something. So that's why I'm referring internet so that you can easily understand how it works. Okay, so here, so we have two matrix. Okay, A and B, and this is the result. So, so for matrix multiplication, there is some concept that is so okay, we will write here itself. So matrix multiplication, okay, matrix A is size, matrix A size is suppose 3 comma 3. Generally we notate it as a cross 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so yeah, A is 3 by 3 and matrix B is also 3 by 3. So this case the matrix multiplication will work fine. Okay, otherwise like okay, we consider M N P Q. Okay, for example M and PQ. So the condition for matrix multiplication is first matrix number of rows can be anything. First matrix number of columns should match with the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication will work, otherwise it will fail. So that is what they are saying here. So so if A is M into N matrix and B is N into like so here N is common. Like here matrix A columns and matrix B rows should be same. Then only matrix multiplication will work because we are taking the row. First row we are multiplying with the uh, first column of the yeah second matrix. So that means first row means number of columns. Column second matrix column is number of rows. So that's why it should be if you want to multiply this with this with this, that means this length should be like should be matched. Okay, and this one result is equivalent to this one. That means we multiply each element, okay, and then we will save that, and then you can see here 1 1 b 1 1. So and then this and this and this. Okay. So okay, maybe we will take a 2 by 2 matrix same as addition, and we will try to understand. Okay, in this case, it is two rows, two columns. That means it is, so that means m equal to 2, n equal to 2. And in this case, three rows and two columns. That means, so that means n equal to 3, p equal to 2. So here, these two are not matching. So this is incorrect. Either you should have three rows here. Okay. Okay, column should be 3. Then only it will, yeah, it should be 3. The column should be 3, then only it will work. Otherwise, if it is square matrix, there will not be any problem because everything is 2, 2. Here also 2, 2. So this n and n are matched. So the result will be m and p. So okay, so these are the input matrix, and the result will be after performing the multiplication that will become M and P matrix. The result, the product matrix product final will be M and P. Okay, so that is how the matrix multiplication. Now, actual, if you go here, so you can see. So B1 2. Yeah, first row is multiplying with the first column of the second matrix. So and then we first how we did addition. So here we do different like multiplication. First element with first element, second element in the row with the second element in first element in the column, like second row of the B, like second matrix. So that is how the matrix multiplication, and then we sum all the result, and then that will be the result of that particular cell. Okay, we will write the code. Okay, so we already know like, okay, so yeah, and we know okay, how to iterate a 2D array. Okay, int I equal to 0. Okay, it may be little complicated. Just try to understand. Maybe yeah, you have to first understand this with the pen and paper. Then you can go here and try to understand. Okay, for j equal to, so how it should multiply. So first thing is we have to process all the rows, and then the first column. So first column means j will be constant, and the I, okay, we need to, okay, so let's okay, so we want to go through all the rows in the first, and then all the columns in the, so that means a of, yeah, a of j dot length, uh, okay, so okay, then actually it is good to define all the m, n, p values, then like p and q or something. Like n is common, so we can use we can declare like this so that it will be easy to Okay, easy to write the code by relating. So that is in this case m means row. So array1 dot length. Okay, and then int n means the column size. So array1 now we can take 0 first row because that will common value. So this will give the column size, and p is the number of columns in the second array. So that means int p equal to array2 dot array2 or 0 dot length. Okay, so that is how we can get the index values, and here we can simply refer to m, and then like we want to multiply first and the column. So okay, so that is how like okay now. So we need to do sum also. Okay, so that is okay. Okay, so here, so we know like this should be resultant right, size. Like okay, how many times it should process. Now, okay, we will write the code. Like so, the result array that is we have defined, but we did not set any value. So we want to put the result array will be the length of m and p. So that's why I say here is equal to 0 by default. We are declaring, and then we will what we need to do. We need to do 3 multiplication and then sum. So that's why we can't directly do using these two indexes. For every time we need to do how many times n times multiplication we should do, n times we have to loop int k equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. So the result equal to result plus. So we are doing the sum like multiplication between um, A11 B11. That means uh, okay. So K like okay. So array one of ik. We will try to understand ik multiply with array two of kj. Okay, this is the actual logic. Okay, so this will set the value. Okay, it will keep setting the value, override the value with the value, and then it will do the multiplication of each element, and then it will do the summation. Okay, and then let's the result array is stored in this. We are setting each time yeah the value. The result also okay m and p. So here also m and p ij. So the result is setting to this. Okay, now we will try to print. We will analyze the program. Okay, why we have written like that. So, okay, just printing. So, Okay, we are printing and then we will just do format. Okay, and yeah, just new line. Okay, we will just run this. I will give more like how it works, how it is giving that result. We will understand. So this is the result. So how this result came? So let's analyze this. So maybe what we will do, we will just print these values also, so that you will understand. Okay, we will print result first and then final result also. Okay, and then we will also print what is the value, this too also. So mainly what we will do, we will format this so that it will look properly. Okay, so this is how we are multiplying and in this location, and we are final result also. Okay, what is the each value and then what we are multiplying, and maybe we will put new line here. Yeah, okay, okay. And after complete iteration, what is the actual value? Okay, and then so we will put new line so that okay. Okay, let's for now let's see what it will print. So maybe yeah, why it is 88, 88 because okay, okay, okay. Here we are putting new line. So the first print. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. So result is okay. Printing result. Okay. Maybe we can simply put a debug point also. We can debug what it is returning. So at this point of time, so so the M, N, and P, these are 2, 2, 2. So we already know. So these are derived from this. And then I, J, K, these are all 0. Now what it is printing? It is printing 0. Okay, first because the result is 0 at this time, and then what we are trying to multiply 2 and 2. So okay, let's say we have to put beside so that it is easy to understand. Okay, maybe first row and the first column of the second matrix. So that means 2 and 2 and then 3 and 4. Next iteration it should be 3 and 4. Okay, so so it is multiplied and then result is updated. when it comes here, the result is, okay, result array is currently 4 because 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, it is result 4. Now we are putting this is first row, you can see here. First row, second row, first value is as of now 4. We still pending is 3 and 4. So this and this. So 3 and 4 multiplication is pending. So it is 4 is the actual result. I think we need to put I think here slash and also that's why it is combining. Okay, for now. So it is multiplying 3 and 4, and then it will again save like up save the value. Okay, you can see 3 4 is a 12, 12 plus 4 16. So it is updated. So now this part is done. Now it should not go inside because k 3 and length is also 3, so length is 2, so that's why it is failed. And then it goes to next column. Okay, so yeah, so like this it will keep doing for the second row, and it got set the value for second cell of the result. So like that it will set the values. Okay, yeah, I hope you understood this. Yeah. You need to understand actual uh, concept of matrix multiplication, and then you can relate that and write the code here. So this is one particular calculation, and here we are using the indexes, like mainly we are working with the location of the value or index of the array. So every if you are working with arrays means core important thing is you need to understand indexes, and you need to write the code accordingly. Yeah.